Well, aloha and welcome everybody to Aloha Mage Gaming. We're going to be cracking a couple packs today. Let's see what we got on our agenda. Ooh, look at this little saucy box of Commander Legends goodies. We got a Commander Legends collector's pack. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Let's get crack-a-lackin' with the packing. Oh, come on now. I think I really need a new X-Acto blade. This one is quite dull. Okay, so what do we have here in our Commander Legends collector booster packs? Let's see. I think we should have 12 shiny booster packs. I think that we do, yes. And these are, let's see, it says, cast your commander in style with new foil etched cards found in every collector booster. So we're looking for etched foils. Ooh, get that into focus. Each booster contains 2 etched foil cards, 2 extended art cards, 10 foils, a foil token, and up to 5 mythics. Haven't seen a 5 mythic pack yet, but we can only hope. Your commander deck has never looked so luxurious. A collector booster is the ultimate way to add exclusive cards to your collection, tons of foils, special card treatments, and more that awaits inside every pack. If you look to collect the coolest cards available, look no further. Out of all the new products, I think the collector boosters is by far something like more up my alley. Did the set booster. Wasn't quite impressed, but see what we got. Let's see. Pack numero uno. You know, we're going to see if we can chase down some money cards here, because we're all about the money, honeys. Let's see. Dragon Mantle, Visionary, Exquisite Huntmaster. So these are all going to be the commons on commons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oop, there we go. On commons. Scholar of Ages, Radiant Sarah Angel, Ghost of Ramirez del Pietro. Reminds me of the guy from the pirate version of the guy from what is it? Princess Bride. I am Inigo Montoya. You killed my father. Now prepare to die. Ooh, and there we go. Wow, Hellkite Corsair for the mythic rare. Lovely. I'm seeing some extended art goodies over here. Let's have a look. Flashback Marauder. Not so hot. But we got a wrong turn. Look at that thing. He is ugly. If I took ran into him in the library, I'd be calling Ghostbusters. And here we have, so these are the first of these etched foils, right? A little extra foiling treatment around the edges, a little extra shiny shines. Miara. Put all our legends over here. Ooh. Sida Kondo of Jamora. The legendary mythic there. Hans Eriksson, also known as the Saffron Olive card. And the Spirit token. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We took for this. Cracking into dose and dose. Dosey dose. Twosy twos. Right. Get through the swagger, but we ran into a Viscera Seer. Full art, foily common, very nice. Tuya Bearclaw. Nevrignol, after the fellow who made the disc. Nice. Nice little landy foil land. We got a Humble Defector. Sweet Gum Recluse. Joraga Chieftain. And Shidiki the Usurper. Nice, look at that. Hopefully we can catch some light and see the glow. Una's Trickster. And a soldier token. Not bad, pulling some mythics out of the first couple packs there. Dargo, had him as in my deck. We drafted this past week. Pretty decent. But we're going to put you over here in the legendary pile. Kiskit, the Flesh Sculptor. Really does. Hopefully I can get like good angles. You can see like really does pop off like some of these foils. This isn't even the etch foil. Body of Knowledge, nice. And that's got a little price tag attached to it. Got the Opal Palace, Necrotic Hex. There we got nothing there. Nope. Legends over here. Mythics over here. Timer the Weaver. And Belb, Corrupted Observer. Even the foils are pretty cool. Look at that thing. You just... On the other side, a rock. Dun, dun, dun. What do we got in here? Zombie. Nope. Armory. Nah. Meh. Not bad. Merchant Raiders. We've got Breaches. Brazen Plunderer. Rayav. Ooh, nice. There we go. That's what we want to see. Opposition Agent. And I saw what kind of snuck out underneath there. But Opposition Agent is a foil. Hello. And we get ourselves a Soul Ring. Nice full art Soul Ring. War Room. Captain Vargas Wrath. Kaidel, the Chosen of Krufix. And Eligeth, Crossroads Augur. And, gasp, Horror. Horror. Quite happy with our little opposition agent there. We're really going to chase down some casholas. Copy, but wouldn't copy any of these. Trove Tracker, Daring Saboteur, Swift Foot Boots, okay. Little foil, full art there. Prava the Steel Legion, Yurlock, Court of Ambition, nice foil there. And a very generous gift. I think this is probably the best of all the chords, the whole cycle of cards in this Commander Legends set. We get the Prismatic Piper. And Muldrotha. Didn't even know Muldrotha was in this set. But Muldrotha with the full etched. And then Obeka. More warriors. Look, see what number 6 has got installed. Throw. Says Dawn Oracle, Feast of Succession, and there's Malcolm. Muldrotha, Obeka, Malcolm. Again, Anara, Flamekin Herald, not bad. Preordain, Staff of Domination. Kedis, Emberclaw Familiar. Nekusar the Mindraiser, nice. Archellus Lagoon Mystic. Treasure, which is what we're looking for all the time. Digging in the packs, looking for the treasures, trying to find the monies. can smell them as they come out of the pack. Stinky little cards. Let's give it a quick sniff. Ah, yes. Numa. Gormuldrak. Plague Reaver, okay. Let's put our agent back up there. 3 visits, very nice. Kamal's Will. More Malcolm. Ludovic. And Gan. Oh, we haven't seen yet. It's in one of those stable jewelry lotus. That's what we would really like to see. Another one we opened up a nice scroll rack, which was good, but not exactly the famed lotus. Codex Shredder, nice little fishy. Abomination of Lanoir, Keleth. You took a wrong turn again. Fine Hood Elves, Laboratory Drudge. Ooh, double mythic, nice. Karamatra, God of Harvests. And we get the full art foily version of Tevesh Zat, Doom of Fools. And it costs Spirit. Spectral Searchlight, Sailor Beam, Soulfire. Let's see. Null Caller, Sunset Pyramid. Falthus. Arden. Court of Ire. Boros Charm. Boring, guy, more like it. Jessica's Will, fine card if I may say so. Anara. Ooh. Ishai. Ujutai, Dragon Speaker. There's your luck again. Just a couple left. But we know we'd like to all see the Queen, please, because there's the monarch. Rograk. Kamal, nice. More Staff of Dominations, but the foily version this time. Commander's Fear, not bad, you know. Court of Grace. Foily Dargo. Another mythic here in Bruce. Tall Boorish Herder. Boring. Oh, this is a 3 mythic pack here. If we get Sakashima, Bruce, and Kamal. Roger, copy that. Paradise, Thorn of the Black Rose, Fathom's Fleet Swordjack. Now we get foily 3 visits. Brynelin the Moon Kraken, Emoti, non-Fallout Court of Grace. Get over. Wrong pal. Fact or Fiction, Ember Wild Captain, Siari, and then Tanner the Blood Sower. We got Kodama of the East Tree. Well, it hasn't been disappointing. Lots of mythics, lots of rares. Lots and lots of swag and goodies. Turn to dust. Alharu. Halane. Mages of the Order. Reliquary Tower, not bad. Ooh, there we go. That's nice. That's the kind of thing we want to see. Pity it's not shiny, but full art vampiric tutor. Arumi. Akiri the Line Slinger. And Jared. Because, you know, they should have gone to Jared. Well, not bad. Got some goodies here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 mythic rares. A whole grip load of full art goodies, probably being topped off with Tevesh Sat. Make that one more mythic to the bunch. Rewind. And then more legends than you can shake a stick at. A lot of them with the nice new foil etchings. Not sure how I like that comparatively with, just let's see, quick comparison. Yeah, just this little bit of a extra etching around the edges. Almost looks like a Christmas decoration bauble. And there you have it. That's what we get when you crack open a collector booster box of Commander Legends. We would like to say mahalo and aloha, and we will see you next time.